Picture yourself in Aspen. Everybody now, picture yourself in Aspen. The probability that one kid from the Mount Lebanon Ski Club will break their leg is 20%. There's a 20% chance that one kid at any one time, that one person would break their leg is 20%. This is one leg per person, all right? One broken leg per person. So remember that. So that qualifies in this problem as our P. P is 0.2 because that's the probability that one single student independently will break their leg. That's it, 20%. So what's Q? The probability of failure, which means they don't break their leg, 0.8. So we've identified P and Q. So what happened just now is we had a question that came up about, it says 2 out of 5 will break their legs. I understand. But what this is, this 0.2 and this 0.8, it's the probability that a single person will break their leg. What we're trying to find is, out of the 5 that are skiing together, what's the probability that 2 out of 5 will break legs? Okay? Yes. So what we do is we incorporate the formula NCR times P to the R times Q to the N minus R, seen above. N is how many people are skiing in this group today? 5. C, R. R is how many of the chosen 5 will break their legs? 2. We're calculating the probability that 2 of them will have an injury of this nature. Times the probability that 1 of them will break their legs, 0.2. The exponent with P is always R, 2. The exponent with Q is always N minus R, the difference between 5 and 2, which is 3. The exponents must always add up to the total number of people skiing, or the number of at-bats you're taking in baseball, or the number of shots you're trying to make in basketball, or the number of questions on a multiple choice test in school. All right, those are some examples of problems we're going to see. All we do is actually type it in exactly as seen, and we will get the probability that 2 out of these 5 kids will break a leg. You don't need to worry about any fancy parentheses. It's simply straight through. 5, math, PRB 2. Sorry, I did the wrong one. And CR. We're going to choose 2 of them to break their legs. 0.2 to the second. 0.8 to the third. I just put the parentheses around P and Q. It all works out perfectly. You don't even need any multiplication signs. Boom. The probability that 2 out of the 4 will have this accident is 0.2048.